Hello and welcome to today's class. So today we'll be dealing on indicial or exponential equation. So what is an indicial or exponential equation? An indicial equation is one in which the power is the unknown. An indicial equation is one in which the power is the unknown. It is always in form of a raised to the power x equals b. Indicial equation is also known as exponential equation. Indicial equation is also known as exponential equation. Now let's take an example. Example 1. If 1 all over 2 all raised to the power x equals 0.125, find x. Here we are asked to find the value of x. One all over 2 all raised to the power x equals 0.125. 1 all over 2 raised to the power x equals 0.125 is the same thing as 125 divided by 1000. Now let's divide this by 125. So we have here 1 all over 2 raised to the power x equals 125 divided by 125 gives us 1. All over 125 divided 1000, divided by 125 gives us 8. So here we have 1 all over 2 all raised to the power x equals 1 all over 8. If you solve further, you would have 1 all over 2 raised to the power x equals 1 all over 2 all raised to the power 3. Here we converted 1 over 8 to base 2. So 1 over 2 raised to the power 3 is the same thing as 1 all over 8. Now, since the bases are the same, next task is to equate the powers. We have here 1 all over 2 equals 1 all over 2. So we have same base but different powers. If you equate the powers, you would have x equals 3. Now let's consider the second example. If 8 raised to the power x plus 1 equals 1 all over 4, find x. Solution. 8 raised to the power x plus 1 equals, now let's convert 1 all over 4 using negative index law. If you convert it, you would have 4 raised to the power negative 1. The next task is to change 8 and 4 to base 2. So if we convert 8 and 4 to base 2, we would have 2 raised to the power 3, close bracket, all raised to the power x plus 1 equals 2 raised to the power 2, close bracket, raised to the power negative 1. 2 raised to the power 3 equals 8 because 2 multiply itself 3 times gives us 8. And then 2 multiply itself 2 times gives us 4. Now the next task or step is to open brackets by applying the power law of indices. If we apply the power law of indices here, we would have, so if we equate the powers, we would have 3x plus 3 equals negative 2. Remember, we are asked to look for x. So we have here 3x equals negative 2 You carry 3 to this other side to give you -3. So let's make x the subject formula. We have x equals -2 minus 3 gives us -5 all over 3. So this is our answer. Now let's look at the third example. If x raised to the power -4 equals 625, find x. Solution. X raised to the power -4 equals 625, and we are asked to find x. If you apply the negative law of indices here, you would have x raised to the power -4 to be 1 all over x raised to the power 4 equals 625. Now the next task is to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you make x the subject formula. It becomes x raised to the power 4 equals 1 all over 625. Now the next task is to find the fourth root of 1 all over 625 in order to eliminate power 4. So x becomes 1 all over 625. And the fourth root of 1 all over 625 is 1 all over 5, because 1 multiply itself 4 times gives us 1, and then 5 multiply itself 4 times gives us 625. So the fourth root of 1 all over 625 is 1 all over 5. So x equals 1 all over 5.